Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by, and if you have been with me for a while, thanks for coming back. So today we got the Quilty Box for February 2021. So let's get this open and dig right in. Okay, well that's pretty. Got the Bundles of Inspiration booklet. I like that. And we have the welcome letter. And then we have what's inside the Quilty Box, and this is the classic Quilty Box. And you can get it for either $48 a month, $46 a month. Oh, it looks like they might have changed it. So $48 month to month with including shipping, and for 3 months prepaid is $46 with shipping. And then we have the English paper piecing Quilty Box, and that is $32.99. We have our featured artist Jennifer Sampu, and some Q&As with her. And then this is the butterfly window quilt. It is 37 by 37. Tells you all about that and how to make it, what fabric you need, how to make it. Then we have a second quilt pattern. Sorry, here's the second quilt pattern. It is the Shimmering Stars by Paper Pieces, and it is 15 by 21. That's the pattern. And then we have our subscriber spotlight with just Sandy Fisher. And then next month's sneak peek is Karen Gibbs. So let's pull this all out and see what we got here. Okay. So first thing here is Sewing Edge Reusable Vinyl Stops for Your Machine. Quilt with Marcy Baker. Save time, sew straight seams, works on all machines. And it's 5 strips. And this retails for $9.95. Oops, I kept seeing a reflection in there. Sewing Edge Reusable Vinyl Stops for your machine. Sew faster and more easily without losing your precision. These vinyl strips create a repositionable stop that doesn't leave sticky residue. The thickness creates an edge that guides the fabric in front of the foot. Sew with confidence every time. Works on all machines. Retails for $9.95. So we'll go ahead and open this. And it is made in the USA. And here they are. And they just peel right off of here. Like that. So that is cool. Okay, here's my sewing machine. I'm going to stick this on here because I can totally use it. See if I can do it one-handed though. So there's how it goes. Okay, and then we have our thread, which is, I always forget what it's called, Aurifil, made in Italy. It's number 2145. And the thread retails for $4.99. And that is to match the fabric. Then we have a cool pair of scissors here. 4.5 inch thread clip. Dollar Quilting Club. Here are the scissors. And let's see what it says about the scissors. Super Edge Thread Clipper. Lightweight and durable, this thread clip opens and closes easily, making it simple to snip loose threads and fabric ends. Plus, with titanium corrosive resistant blades, you'll be able to count on this clipper for years to come. Retail value for $4. And I will go ahead and open it because I'm going to keep it. Can't have enough scissors. Here it is. Let's see. So I guess you go like that or like this. Like this. So you put your fingers like this. And your thumb here. They're neat, but as you can see, they're sticking. So I don't know, they're a little bent or something, but so okay. I'm sure they will cut, but that is a bit annoying. So maybe something they should work on. Make sure they're not bent and stick. Let's see, I don't really have any thread sitting around here. Or maybe this. There's a piece of thread on the thing. I use this to make journals, so it definitely clips it. It clips good, but it sticks. But I do like the way that you hold them. So there's that. Now the beautiful fabric. And it has a gold, it's kind of shimmery on the gold on the butterfly. This is Spring Shimmer Jennifer Shampoo, kit number 2092-15. There's 15 pieces. And let's see. This retails for $30. And this is by Robert Kaufman Fabrics. There's that. I really like that. This would be cool for something else, even just for like a panel to cut them out. That's cool. I do like that. But I love butterflies. Let's see if I can zoom in here a little bit for you. I guess they're all kind of shimmery. They all have something shimmery on them. It's like the beehive, or, you know, the honey thing, whatever it's called, beehive. That's pretty. Let's see here. It's kind of floral. Honeycomb. There we go. I knew it'd come to me. The honeycomb. This one, I guess even these spots are a little silvery shimmer to them. I'll open this up a little bit so you can see that a little bit better. This one is plain. This one does not have any shimmer in it. That one, the whole thing's kind of shimmery. This is that plant-like one. This one is plain. And this one is plain. And there's that one. So there you go. That is everything. We got our fabric, our thread, our sewing edge, and our scissors. And 2 patterns here. So that is our Quilty Box for February. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And thanks so much for stopping by. And I'll see you again soon. Bye. Oh, and I will have links down below. They're my referral links. So if you don't want to use those, then you can just go right to the Quilty Box website. So I'll see you again soon. Bye.